Is your Chevy Traverse infotainment system displaying a black screen or producing no sound? Let's quickly address the most common causes and fixes as of September 2025. Often, these issues stem from software glitches, especially with models from 2018-2023. Start with a simple soft reset. Hold down the infotainment system's power button for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset through the vehicle's diagnostic mode. Since July 2025, GM has been rolling out over-the-air OTA software updates to fix these bugs. Ensure your system is up to date via OnStar or by visiting a dealer for a USB update. Remember, a corrupted boot process often causes black screens, while no sound could be due to muted settings or hardware problems. Software problems are often fixable with updates, but hardware failures might require replacing the module. For 2022 plus models, check if your infotainment hardware is covered under the extended warranty, 7 years, 100,000 miles. If basic resets and updates don't resolve your Chevy Traverse infotainment issues, start by checking connectivity. Features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto depend on stable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. GM is increasingly using over-the-air updates to prevent issues and reduce dealer visits. These updates fix firmware bugs before they cause problems. For DIY solutions, explore Chevy forums for user-shared fixes, but be aware of risks like voiding warranties or causing further damage. The future looks promising with fully integrated infotainment systems featuring enhanced cybersecurity and voice controls. These will eliminate black screen issues through real-time error correction. If problems persist, seek professional diagnostics, especially for hardware failures. The 2024 class action lawsuit showed that some cases require module replacements, not just resets. To prevent future infotainment issues, regularly update your software and maintain stable connections. By 2026-2027, seamless ecosystems should minimize resets altogether.